Alright, I'm going to be showing you guys the song on the new Zombies map, Shangri-La. I'll go to spawn first. Alright, so this is where you spawn, and the first one is...
Oh crap, I'm getting killed by the zombie.
Get out of here, crawling hell pig! You don't offend me, woman!
Anyways, the first one is, over here, right there. That log thing.
I am thinking of crawling to the giving food.
Ow. Next one. Sorry.
Ouch! My shin really hurts now!
Just come down here to where the power is. And you go right here. Next, you come out right here. Pretty sure I just lost my way again. This map. Too late, he's dead. There's zombies spawning. Hate this map. I really hate it. Just come back to spawn real quick.
Yeah, and don't revive me.
God, I have to revive this guy 30 million times.
Oh, you want to bet?
Vodka? Check. Russian?
You just come like through there,
Okay,
where
I'm
the
good to
spawn
go.
is.
And I'm already dead. Again.
And it's right here in these bushes. You just go up, hold X, and
Like
that's
here.
it.
Sucker.